doing? I'm gonna have to get in here. You're gonna have to move. All right, fine, man. I'm just, just letting you know. This is my life these days also. Poo. It's time to fling it. Why are you limping around, man? Something wrong? I don't know. Sure are pretty though, aren't you? Yeah, hey, how you doing there, buddy? All right, so let's get to the actual video here. This here is my machine shed, and I have not cleaned this area out in quite some time. I think it has 2 winters worth of goats on it and at least 1 full year of cattle. And yeah, there's a lot of poo here, so it needs to be cleaned out big time, because I'm gonna need it this winter for sure. And maybe when I get it cleaned out, I can get this hay rack out and maybe the hay rake over there. That'd be kind of nice. My neighbors were kind enough to loan me their manure spreader, because mine is laid up and has been for quite some time. Yeah, the chains are broken and everything else is fine. It's just the apron chains and the wood, and yeah, it's a mess, and it's pretty low priority for me right now. Got a lot of stuff going on, so just haven't had time to fix it. So the neighbors have a small herd of cattle, and they are just wonderful people and help me out, and loaned me this thing, and I brought it home and oiled up the chains and greased up some of the stuff out back there and started loading it. And I got to finish loading it, and then we'll get to spreading. Now the problem is the tractor that has the good loader on it is the one that I have to drive the manure spreader with PTO. So I'm gonna have to like load the manure spreader and then hook up to it and then go, and it's just gonna be a mess. I'm not really sure how well it's gonna work, but I guess we'll find out. And also, I am plumb out of battery on my GoPro. I've tried to use it and it lasts like 30 seconds and I'm done screwing around with it. So I'm out here with the phone trying to do a video for you guys. And it's really gonna kind of suck trying to do all this and try to take a video at the same time with the phone. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know how much you're gonna actually see. Here we go. Here we go. Let's try doing this with one hand. Gonna get old real quick. Yeah, well, after fighting PTO for 10 minutes, we're ready to go. So I have no idea how far, wide, or back, or anything this thing is gonna fling poo, because I haven't used it before. So I'm gonna start in the middle of the pasture and go from there. Yeah, this sucks trying to do this. I need 3 arms. And here's the PTO. Well, as it turns out, the PTO shaft keeps popping off when I engage it. So I gotta tighten these bolts against the output shaft, and yeah, it's just great. I do appreciate them letting me use this thing though, because that's awesome. Hey, we're working. Too bad you can't see much. But as the thing moves, the apron chains move all the poo back towards the paddles, and it flings it out there. Kids are gonna be off the bus here pretty soon. Maybe I'll have one of them film me from the side or something. Then you can actually see what's going on. This is a superior machine now. I'm unfortunately downwind. Oh, this is terrible. Oh man. Oh. Gotta be done though. Well, this is good. One pass done, and I don't know, a whole bunch more to do. I think I'm gonna get the little tractor out and load that machine with the little tractor though, because it is gonna be a serious bear unhooking and hooking up every time with that big thing. So I don't think I'm gonna do it. It'll take me longer to load it, but you know, that's the way it goes. Should unhook that big tractor. All right. Oh man, what kind of drunkard is running this outfit? Well, I ran out of time last night and daylight, and had to quit for the day, and out here bright and early again this morning to start flinging poo again. Here we go. seat. Oh, shouldn't have left it parked out all night. Well, here we go. Oh. All right, let's see if you want to start this morning. Yeah. All right, I can't do this with one hand, so there we go. Sorta. Work the choke a little bit. There we go. Let's let you warm up a bit. Man, I love this thing. Worth every penny. These things are great. While I'm waiting for it to warm up, I'll show you this. I put a water pump in it the other day, and new belts, and you just can't believe how much better it runs. Runs cooler, generator charges better, the needle on the gauge doesn't bounce around a whole lot. Who knew those belts were so bad? This here is my heater for the winter time. It's like a convection heater, a little heating element in there, and it warms up and circulates through the motor. Works pretty good. Feel the choke, maybe that'll run better. Sing to me. Tink, 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 tink. All right. Here we go. I'm not trying to be one of those TikTok girls with the selfie view. It's the only way I can make this work without my GoPro. Working good so far. Oh, there's the wind. Oh. Snap ring collar has gone off this thing, so it has to be bolted on. else, checking things out. All right. Well, we got this all cleaned out. It's looking good. Yeah, as good as it's gonna get anyway. I don't look so good. Covered in manure dust. Yeah, just part of the job. Man, it's down my shirt and everything. What a mess. Anyway, that's about it. It's something I normally would be doing, oh, probably once every fall. I had not done it for, I think, 3 years for various reasons. I wasn't keeping anything in here year round, and my own manure spreader is broke down, as I mentioned, and just the way things go. Well, I got to get that manure spreader cleaned up and oiled up and back to the neighbors, so I guess that's all we got for you today. Come on back. I'm sure there's going to be more poo flinging in the future.